Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to say my 1,000 equals pi r squared h. So h is going to be 1,000 over pi r squared. My price, my cost is going to be 0.25 times pi r squared. Okay, are we ready? Okay, stay with me here, please. Okay, so the question was, why did I need to do that h equals thing in the beginning? Why did I need to do that for my equation? Yes.
Isolate h so we can put it into other equations.
Right, because if you take a look, we did this before, we knew how to take the derivative of two variables, right? So we don't have a rate of change of h or anything like that. So we're just going to sub h in, so you only have r's on the right hand side, okay? So it's going to be cost is equal to?
You just time volume.
Yeah. There's 5 minutes left in class.
I can't see.
I know, my hair's always sweet. So the question was, good question here, does the pi r's cancel? The pi r's cancel, but one of them cancels anyway, okay? So I'm going to call this my cost. I'm going to write that as 0.6 pi r squared plus, what's 2,000 times 0.12? 240?
Sure.
Okay, can somebody tell me where 0.6 came from? Okay.
Add to 0.35.
Right on, because these are both pi r squared, right? So the coefficient just add 4. Now this derivative we can do now. What about this question tells me that I have to take the derivative? Other than the fact from calculus class, Derek.
They asked for minimizing the cost.
Minimizing the cost. So in order to minimize the cost, how do you minimize the cost? Yes.
You find the derivative of that and make c prime 0.
C prime is going to be 0. Very good. Okay. Yeah. Oh, so I just did this all in my head. So I did 2 times 1,000 is 2,000, and then 2,000 times 0.12 is 240. Okay. So I'm going to take the derivative of this quickly. So C prime is going to be 1.2 pi r minus 240 r to the negative 2. I'm running out of room. We're going to do this over here, I guess. So we're going to say 0 equals 1.2 pi r minus 240 r to the negative 2. 240 over r squared equals 1.2 pi r. 240 over 1.2 pi equals r cubed, and r equals the cubed root of 240 over 1.2 pi. I'm not going to work it out more than that, but
What do you have to find h?
did I say we'll find h?
Well, it said to
Did I want
minimize
to? Yeah, so then for sorry, let's go back to questions. Find the, minimize the cost.
it just says minimize.
So for the radius, you would actually sub it back in here then. Whatever this is.
Someone so excited.
That would be what the minimum cost would be.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be very clear on the test, so this is just a rough question. So Bailey said we're going to sub back in for h or minimize the cost or whatever. I'll be very, very clear on all the questions. They're all been proofread not only by me, but by Mr. Kemp, who everyone loves. Okay, so he will make sure that everything is crystal clear on here. Now, if this question caused you stress, okay, please write down on that review sheet. Part of the reason I gave you the review sheet was so you could circle things that you're not good at to practice. Not good at, that you could use more work on. Tomorrow we're gonna move on to, we'll get your test back, and I'll give you guys basically the review of those 2 units will be tomorrow. Okay, so all the exponents and all that stuff, as well too, okay?
And so we're gonna cover the test.
Yeah. That's the expectation.